You are going to love the 2020 Kona EV. The Hyundai Kona EV offers a wide variety of safety and driver assistance features. However, the driving range and the charging capabilities are what really make this electric vehicle stand out, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.